Hello everybody, and welcome to Tech in 5 Minutes. Today we are talking about tech startup ideas. Watch this video to explore the most promising ideas you can use to get your business off the ground. On our channel, we share thoughts on recent developments in the tech industry. Subscribe not to miss new videos. Let's start. So, what is a tech business? A tech business is a company that provides tech products or services to the market. As a rule, these businesses cover a range of industries, from the manufacturing of electronics to creating software and services related to information technology. The best part about launching a tech company is that you can start small and grow your business gradually without huge investments from the outset. Yet, achieving success in this area still boils down to some level of technical knowledge and skills, connections, and the right marketing strategy. By the way, what's the most crucial factor for the tech startup success in your opinion? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's list the reasons why starting a tech business is a good idea. Our experts determined several advantages specific to the tech business sector that you might want to consider. Flexibility. Starting your own tech business can give you a more flexible work schedule and lifestyle. You can set your own deadlines, delegate boring tasks, and choose the most suitable time and place to work. Cost effectiveness. Freshly launched tech startups may get along without offices. You can save a considerable amount of your budget by starting to work from home or using co-working spaces. Viability. Tech businesses have the highest earning potential due to the increasing trends for digitalization and automation. Starting a company aimed at innovation can be a reasonable and future-oriented choice. Versatility. The tech business industry allows developing outside-the-box ways to solve real-world problems. The more creative and effective your solution is, the higher are its chances for success. Now, let's see the top 5 tech startup ideas you might want to use if you want to hit big in the tech business. The first idea is creating a web and mobile app design company. Today, almost every business needs a professionally looking website or a mobile app to create a brand image and build an online presence. A web and mobile app design company can provide other businesses with a range of services, including interface design, UX design, copywriting, SEO, and more. By the way, would you like to find out more about web design? We have an in-depth article on the latest trends in the design industry. The link is in the description. The second startup idea is establishing a robotics company. This niche is all about innovation and automation. Robotics startups encompass various fields, including mechanical, electronic and information engineering, computer science, and other related disciplines. If you've got an instinctive future vision and a strong set of tech-related knowledge, then it's the right choice for you. The next idea is EdTech startup. Providing online education services is a large playing field right now. If you have a good set of knowledge and know how to pass it to others, creating your own EdTech startup can be a good move. Whatever your specialty is, be it software development, web design, languages, sports, etc., there will always be people looking for knowledge and skills in that area. Another good option is a 3D printing firm. 3D printing is among the most promising tech trends right now. It allows building three-dimensional objects from computer-aided design models. Since the demand for manufacturing ready-to-use components will never exhaust, 3D printing becomes a solid idea for a profitable business startup. Yet, the huge flaw in this business is the high upfront investment in expensive equipment and materials. And a final idea to mention is application development enterprise. App development company is another trendy and highly potential business startup. People use applications nearly for all routine activities, from shopping to taking care of their diet. If you have a nice app idea, you can make a splash with a unique solution that will grab the user's attention. Yet, since the industry is extremely competitive, you need to research whether there's a demand for your app. In the startup business, ideas are the key asset needed to succeed. We hope our list has helped you figure out which tech business idea is the right fit for your skills and interests. By the way, which of the mentioned ideas seem to have the highest potential to you? Leave a comment below. Also, share which topics we should cover next on our channel. This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. Jelvix helps top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We provide world-class enterprise software engineering, design, and technology consulting services. Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We share the latest news about tech trends and innovations. So make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.